Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Let's go ahead and get crafting. Today we're going to do another craft box from Liz Moore Decal and Decor. So this is her November box, which means it's for Christmas. So these are the instructions. She always includes this instruction card and then her thank you card with all of her contact information, which I will try to put down in the description box below. And then she always includes a pad of craft paper, very nice thick heavy cardstock. I don't know, it's very heavy. I don't know the weights on cardstock, but it's heavy. And then all of the pieces for the actual craft. So this one was like a Christmas globe type deal. So it's this nice wood round, and it's a thick wood round. It's not like the real thin ones you get from Dollar Tree or what have you. It's a nice one. And then the pieces that go on that globe are, then she's got them separated out. So it's going to be, the stand is that long square piece, and then the reindeer and the Santa sleigh and all of that are wrapped up separately. So I'm going to start by painting everything. So my reindeer, I'm going to paint brown, but I'm going to do like a washed out, like a stain almost, a paint stain. So I'm just using this water pen along with some brown paint and just going to put some water in that pen and then just going to shake that up a bit. Now, of course, you could just use a stain. You could use an antique wax or whatever other color you'd want. And I'm just going to paint them all. And I am painting them all the same color, and I'm not going to add too many details to the deer other than their little hooves. And then Rudolph's nose there, I did paint red. But the rest of the reindeer are just basic brown. And then their hooves, again, because I'm a horse person. So you got to put the horse details in. And then I'm also going to stain or paint the stand the same color as the reindeer, because the globe itself is going to be like a very dark sky color. So this is the only other way to get some wood color back in there. So that's what I'm doing. It looks a little bit crazy in the video. It looks very red. It is not that orange or red in real life. And then for the antlers, I'm actually using just a regular marker, and I'm just going to paint them with a dark brown color. And these are some small pieces, so you could use a marker or a crayon or a colored pencil or a paintbrush or, whatever. I chose the marker because it was easiest for me. And we're just going to do that on all the reindeer. There were 4 reindeer total. And then for the houses, which is the background of the globe, I'm painting black because it's kind of, it's at night, so you want it to look like it's at night. So I just painted it all black. And then we are going to put some snow on the roofs of these houses and under the windows of these houses. I don't know that I included that in my little editing here, but I do put some snow and such on the windows and on the roofs, which helps to add some detail. That's nice. All right, so there we go. So now you can see I'm adding a bit of snow, just regular white. I think this is even acrylic paint. I don't even think this is chalk paint. And then I painted the sky with many different colors, blue, black, gray, white, and I just kind of smeared them all together with water. And then the bottom, I'm painting yellow because of the holes for the windows in the houses you can see through. So I want the light to shine through as if it were a house with the light on. And then I'm just hot gluing the cityscape or the houses to the bottom there. And you can kind of see where the houses kind of line up now or stick out a bit. And then I've painted everything else. So I've painted and colored in the Santa sleigh and the reindeer and all of that. So now I'm just figuring out my placement. And I decided that I wanted the reindeer to stick out a little bit instead of being flat. So I'm using the, what is it called? Foam tape, I guess, on the backs so that they stick out just a little bit. And then on the little Rudolph in the front, I put 2 pieces on him to make him stick out twice as much. Once I've got them all stuck on, then I am going to put some reins on the deer. Now, it was supposed to come with a strip of leather, it said in the instructions, but I didn't get that, so I'm just using twine. And it's not worth it to me to complain or anything like that. It doesn't really matter. Twine is just fine. But guys, I absolutely love this. I think this is just beautiful. I don't know if I'm just being, whatever, but I absolutely love it. I think it's just adorable. I love the colors. It is definitely going to come out every winter for Christmas. Absolutely 100%. So I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts. Please do give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell when you subscribe so you know when my videos come out. And remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all.